Hi everyone, welcome to today's video. I am super excited. As you can see, we're opening the Be Kind by Ellen box. This is the winter box, and isn't it adorable? I love it. And I'm super excited also to share. I just looked online and they're having an amazing sale until the 15th of December. So you can get buy one, get one free box. So they're $49.49 and they have around a $300 value each. So you get over $500 at least. We'll see what the value is once we unbox, but you get a whole free box. So if you like what you see here and you want to get it for you and someone that you love for Christmas, or maybe just two for yourself because you love the items so much, that is a great deal. Take advantage. So this is by Ellen DeGeneres, and we get, I think it's about 7 items each season. They're all eco-friendly, non-animal testing, all cruelty-free, because we know Ellen loves animals. I love that about her. And the items were great. I loved the fall box. I have no idea what's in the winter box yet. I have not peeked. So yeah, I think that's all the intro we need. Hey guys, by the way, love you so much. Please subscribe if you haven't already. Like this video, and let's get started. Oh my god, it's so cute. Okay, I need to adjust the camera a little bit because even the inside of the box is decorated. Sorry, you might see like my tarot cards and affirmations and stuff. Oh, so cute. Okay. The winter box includes items from 6 brands that make a conscious choice to do better for the world. We absolutely love them and hope you will too. Enjoy, the Ellen team. When it says everything here, we're just going to put that aside. And you get a little magazine with all the information on the items. And oh my god, did this purchase go to, how cool. Oh my god, this is Infura, my adopted gorilla. Is this for real? Okay. You guys, I just did a tarot reading. I know this is so unrelated. Here's a sneak peek. It said, okay, I'm just not even going to get into it. If you guys like tarot, it's on my other channel, Kitty Outside the Box. I'll talk about it later. But anyways, Dear Be Kind by Ellen member, a donation has been made in your name by the Diane Fossey Gorilla Fund for the adoption of a gorilla. I'm honored to support the Fossey Fund to help carry on the legacy of my hero, Diane, sorry, I'm not sure what that name is exactly. If I'm mispronouncing it, I'm so sorry. And to ensure the wild gorillas are protected. Through this adoption, you're supporting gorilla conservation with me. The Fossey Fund's adoption program is unique. The mountain gorillas they monitor and protect every single day are truly wild, and they are not in a sanctuary. With your adoption of a gorilla through the Fossey Fund, you help ensure the gorilla's wildness and protection for generations to come. To register your gorilla, please refer to your adoption certificate enclosed. Oh, this is so cool. So you get information on your gorilla, and then you get a profile with images of them, digital subscription to the Gorilla Journal. It's a quarterly newsletter, a special video of your new family member, a downloadable image of your gorilla family member, and a twice-yearly update on your new gorilla family member. I love this so much. So this is kindly sent to me free for review. So I feel like I need to like send a donation in, so I feel like I legit like adopted them, but I know the box creators and everything sending this to me, they do like have a fund and stuff. So this makes me feel really special, and I'm just gonna tell you really quick. So I just did a reading for Taurus, a zodiac reading, and it talked about like maybe adding to the family or something like that, and I was like, well, I'm not having a baby right now, and then like adopted gorilla. Just a little, I just felt like I had to explain a little bit that it's so special, you guys. I love this. Look at Infura. Oh, that face. Okay. Oh, I love that so much. I was talking about animal foundations. I didn't know we would have something so specific in here. But here, let's start. Let's just move on, or I'll keep gushing. Bombas. 1 purchase, 1 donated. Oh my god, these are soft. Mid-weight merino wool. Ooh, that's fine. This is a medium, so for women it'd be 8 to 10.5, so that's me. I wear an 8.5, if anyone wanted to know. No one asked that. Stay Up Technology, honeycomb arc support system, seamless toes, Y stitched heel, cushion footbed. Oh my gosh. These are so freaking soft. I want to like put them on right now. I love these. Damn, these are nice. Awesome. Oh my god, is this chocolate? I'm out of sweets. This is perfect. I feel like I say that every time I get a sweet because I eat all of my sweets like instantly when I get them. Anyone else like that? So Ethel M Chocolate Reserve, 65% cacao, single origin dark chocolate, Ghana, single origin dark chocolate. That is awesome. Creamy and sweet. Nice. I love that so much. Ooh, I don't know what this is, but cookies? Oh my god, this cookie. I think they're cookie cutters. Cookie? I feel like I sound like a cookie monster there. Oh my god, so cute! I want to make cookies now! It's a perfect excuse. Oh my god, that brown scarf or whatever is really cute. So we have a little cute bag. Oh, look at it. You can see the shapes there. I didn't even think about it. I was so excited. Oh my god, there's a freaking recipe for cookies. I need groceries so bad, so now I'm gonna get some to make cookies too. Yeah, awesome. And then it talks about preparing them. So we got a little gingerbread, a Christmas tree, and a star. I love this so much. I don't have any of these. Oh, I want cookies now. Yay, this is so cute. Okay, I'm in such a good mood. Beach Waiver Company Be Confident Co-Wash. Co-Wash, Hydro Ionic Alpha Bond Multiplier. Cleanse, condition, and be confident with your beautiful hair. Oh, so is this like, it does both cleansing and conditioning? I am in need of some new shampoo and conditioner, actually. So this is perfect. I'm just curious to see, like, because you know sometimes you have like ones that are 2-in-1. Sometimes they don't like moisturize as much as others. But this has shea butter, coconut oil, obsidian oil, and HI bond multipliers. Their formula builds your hair from the inside out. Okay, that sounds very nourishing. It's free of all the icky stuff, made from recyclable bottles. Love that. Of course, cruelty free. Women on. Cool. Love it. And this is a large size too, 8 ounces. Guys, this is beautiful. This is like, oh my god. Okay. Let's look at this. This is by Laud the Label. 100% cotton, ethically made, honoring Earth and Maker. Your purchase makes an impact. Laud the Label empowers women women around the world to find financial freedom through safe and meaningful employment at fair wages. Our model is moving the industry toward a more humane approach where the Earth and Makers are valued equally to the customer. That's amazing. Okay, I'm gonna move this cute box. This is so nice. Oh my gosh. Let's see how big it is. Yeah, this is a large size. That's what she said. Sorry, I can't help it. Oh my god, that is beautiful. So we got this beautiful scarf. I feel like I'm not doing it justice right now. Let me like fold it back up. I was going to show you the whole thing, but it's like too large for me to show on my desk here. It is so nice. It's 100% cotton, like I said. Got some cookie cutters, chocolate, socks, very wintry. And then we got this hair product. And then we got an adopted animal. Infura, adopted gorilla. This is the sweetest thing in the world. I am going to go register for sure. Your support will protect Infura and other wild gorillas. Scan the QR code with your phone to activate your adoption. Oh, it's right in the corner over there. Yes. And I'm definitely going to send a small donation just so I feel like I officially adopted this. Because again, this is sent to me free for review. This is not sponsored. If you guys do use my link below, I get like 10% commission or something like that. And that will go towards... Oh, I'll donate whatever. But if you guys are interested in this box, I think this is so sweet. Do you see how that made my day? Like, this is so cute and so sweet. And I love supporting animal charities. It's really important to me. Typically, whenever I do charity, it is towards animal charities. Like my whole life, I've just been really into supporting them. I have a special connection to animals. I love them. And I love all the items in here. This is just a really feel-good box right now for me. And I feel like if you guys like enjoy my reaction, if you would feel the same way, like this is really special to me. I love boxes that give back so much. And this box does, not only by the items they select and put in the box, but in ways like this. So Yeah, this is amazing. I love this. I feel so good. Not like I felt bad before unboxing, but like I feel like my heart is more open right now. I just feel really, really good. I feel really kind. I don't know. I love this. This is really nice. So again, buy one, get one till the 15th if you're interested. Link below. And yeah, I have opened this box several times in the past. If you want to see past unboxings, I do have playlists for all the boxes I open, so you can check those out, see what is in past boxes to get an idea of what you'll get in the future. But highly recommend. This just made my day. You guys made my day. You make my day every freaking day. I'm so grateful for each and every one of you. I seriously love you so much. Thanks for supporting me in our channel. Thanks for watching. Thanks for being you. You're amazing. I love you. You're beautiful and kind. Okay, I could go on and on, but I hope you know that you are very loved. Thank you again for being here. Please subscribe if you haven't already. So I will see you tomorrow. Bye.